It's your travel agent David, and today I am at Dig This. Dig This is located just outside of Las Vegas, and they have all types of Caterpillar construction equipment from age 2 and up to adults. So I'm going to be playing around with the dozer, and we're going to see if I can make a mess and then maybe pick it back up. But this is one of the top 10 that you have to come and see when you come to Vegas and have some fun, because there's nowhere else that I've ever found that you can do this stuff. So let's go see what we can mess up.